Jamaica, a land of beauty and unmatched spirit. White sand beaches, world-class culture, champions in every arena. A nation overflowing with churches where worship once shaped its soul. But beneath it all, something shifted as sin increased. God's servants whined from pulpits, street corners, and in the marketplace as the call to legalize obeah grew louder. Repent, the prophets warned. God is not pleased, but the people mocked, their hearts hardened by pride. Then came Melissa, a storm carrying the weight of divine correction. Winds lashed across Jamaica, tearing down what stood outside God's covering. Homes shattered, parises shaken, a nation humbled, but with the warning given and a corrective whipping. Will Jamaica listen? Only God and time will tell.